Writing equations. Whenever you're writing equations, you're going to read the problem first. It says Joy has 10 more songs than Avery does. If Joy has 150 songs, how many does Avery have? You're going to ask yourself a question. What do I know without a doubt? It will not change. Well, it says right here that Joy has 150 songs. Whatever you have, you're going to write equals 150. Okay, then you're going to go back and read. Joy has 10 more songs than Avery does. We're looking for what Avery has. So Avery is going to be our variable. The variable is the unknown, and you can use any letter that you want. For this one, I'm going to use A for Avery. Okay, it says Joy has 10 more songs than Avery. More than tells you there that you're going to be adding 10. So the equation for this situation is A plus 10 equals 150. That's all you have to do. We are not solving yet. Okay, so for the next one, it says Edward's birthday is 7 days after Corey's birthday. Edward's birthday is on the 9th. Write an equation that will allow us to find the day of Corey's birthday. Well, right here it says Edward's birthday is on the 9th. That is what we know without a doubt. So we have equals 9. We want to find Corey's birthday. We don't know when Corey's birthday is, so that's our variable, C. But it's after, so that's going to be subtraction, 7 days. 7 days after. So the equation is C minus 7 equals 9. You're writing the equation of what it says in the situation. You are not solving it yet. Next one. It says 6 people went out to dinner together. They shared the cost of the meal equally. If each person paid $12, what was the total cost of the meal? Okay, so right there it says each person paid $12. So that's what we know without a doubt. Equally tells us that we're going to be dividing. We are looking for the total cost. We don't know how much the entire meal was, so that's our variable on top, X. But we do know that there were 6 people that went out to dinner. So it's the total of the meal divided by 6 equals $12. The equation here is X divided by 6 equals 12. This one says Eli ate 2 times as many pieces of pizza as his friend did. If Eli ate 6 pieces, how many pieces did his friend eat? What do we know without a doubt? We know without a doubt that Eli ate 6 pieces, so that's equals 6. Right here it says 2 times. That tells you there that you're multiplying. 2 times. Okay? We don't know how much his friend ate, so that's the variable, X. Remember, whenever you are writing the number and the variable, you always want the number first. You do not want the number behind the variable. Okay? The number always comes before the variable. Also, when you're showing multiplication, you don't have to put the dot or the asterisk or parentheses, because we know that a number next to the variable means multiplication. Okay? So try this one on your own, pause the video, and then start it back up after you've done. Okay, so check your work. It says Michelle is 11 years younger than her sister Kristen. If Michelle is 18 years old, how old is Kristen? Right there, we know that Michelle is 18, so that equals 18. We don't know how old Kristen is, so that's K, our variable. But we know that she's younger, so we're subtracting 11 from Kristen. Okay, so K minus 11 equals 18. That is your equation. Here's another example. Mr. Duran handed out 32 sheets of graph paper equally among 8 groups of students. Which equation can be used to find S, the number of sheets of paper each group received? Okay, so right here it says 32 sheets of graph paper in 8 groups. Well, if you want to figure out how many sheets of paper that each group has, you're going to divide, which is A. Okay, try this one on your own. You can pause the video and then start it back up when you want to check. Okay, it says the cost of renting a car is a basic fee of $50 plus an additional $20 for each day that the car is rented. Which equation can be used to find C, the cost in dollars of the rental for D days? Well, a basic fee of $50, that only happens once, so that's $50. Then it says plus So we know we're adding $50 plus $20 for each day. We don't know how many days they rented the car, so it's 20 times D. The only one that matches that situation is C. Okay, correct your notes. Make sure you don't have any questions. If you do, you can watch the videos again or come into tutorials. Remember, whatever you know without a doubt goes after the equal sign on the right.